You guys really think that speaking English is really tough? I know many of you think yes, it is very tough or very hard to speak, but you know, we just need to use some important tips while speaking, and in this video I would try to cover all those important tips one by one for you. So keep watching this video till the end. This is very important video for you if you want to improve your English. Before starting this video, I would like to tell about myself. This is Umesh from English Online Classes, and I have been in this profession for almost 10 years. And today I would share my personal experience as well with you, that how I started English and how I used to do practice. So all the things I would tell you. But before that, I have a question for you. Could you please tell me what is the most important part of English? I know many of you think that that is grammar, or maybe that is vocabulary, or maybe that is sentence structure, but no, that is not so. You know, confidence is the most important part. Yes, confidence. You know, if you are confident enough, you can do anything. I'm not talking about only English. If you want to achieve anything in your life, or if you want to do something in your life, you just need to have confidence. You know, sometimes we have knowledge and we know what to speak and how to speak, but do not have confidence, so it's not possible to speak because you have hesitation, and hesitation is your deadly enemy. It means it can kill you. It can kill your fluency and it can kill your skills. So first of all, what you have to do, you just kill your enemy before killing yourself. So you know, if you want to build your confidence, you just need to remove your hesitation. Many people have put this question to me, that sir, how to build the confidence and how to remove the hesitation. So guys, I have only 2 tips for you to remove your hesitation and build your confidence. Just what you have to do, try to lock yourself in a room and start speaking. It doesn't matter that what you are speaking, you have to speak as loud as you can. Yes, my dear friends, as loud as you can. Whatever comes through your mind, you have to speak. Just try to express yourself, whatever you have in English that time, and do not think that you are speaking right or wrong, because in starting you have to speak. That's it. Like, you have to generate your confidence. Once you do it, you can judge yourself that you are speaking right or wrong, but in starting you have to speak. You do not think like don't think about right or wrong. Just have to think about speaking, like you are speaking or not. That's it. And you know why I am saying that you have to speak loud? Because when you try to speak loudly, then you remove your hesitation as well. So removing hesitation equal to improving your confidence, like building your confidence. So it takes some time. I know that it is not the process for 1 day or 2 days. Actually, you can take 1 week or maybe 10 days or 15 days, but you have to be regular. Yes, for 1 hour or maybe for 1.5 hours, you have to do it daily for at least 15 to 20 days, and then you will see improvement in yourself. Yes, you can improve yourself day by day. So this is the most important part, like confidence building. After that, what you can do, because I have seen many people, they think and they believe, or maybe they consider it like we can understand English, but when it comes to speaking, we fail. Yes, it has happened with me as well, because when I was learning, I still remember that what I used to do when I used to start my speaking or maybe my speech. Sometimes I used to run short of the time, or maybe sometimes I used to run short of the words. So you know, whenever I used to try to speak, my mind used to go blank. Absolutely. That time I had many problems, but what I did, you know, that I did the same. Like I used to lock myself in a room and I would do practice. I would speak as loud as I could have done. So I did it, and I did it for almost 1 or maybe 2 months. After that, I saw that yes, improvement is there in myself. So I am saying you the same thing that you have to do if you want to improve your English as well as your personality. And the second part is many people have this problem that they can speak in front of 2 or 3 people, but when it comes to speaking in public, they have problem. So this is also the problem of your confidence. It means you have lack of confidence. You have to be confident enough. before starting your journey in English, or maybe before doing anything. Like, do not think that I would be right or wrong. First of all, just create your confidence, and express yourself. Just talk to yourself. First of all, you have to spend your time with yourself as much as you can. You have to do it. This is the first step you have to follow, and then you can go for another thing. Like, maybe many people think, or maybe they believe that if they want to learn English, they have to learn grammar, or maybe they have to learn some sentences, or maybe they have to learn some different books. But do you really think that? I don't think so, because I have never read a single book of speaking English, or maybe to learn English. Yes, I have never read a single book, but nevertheless I can speak, because speaking English is not all about just reading the books, or maybe it is not all about just learning grammar, or maybe some parroting some sentences or like that. No, it is not so. If you want to improve your English, you just need to think everything in English. Yes, what is the main problem when we try to speak English? Actually, we think in our mother tongue and then try to speak in English. It is not so. It means Hindi, or maybe any other your local language going on in your mind, and you are trying to speak English from your tongue. So how it can be possible? It means you have to think in English, then you have to speak in English. But it is not easy, I know that. But what you have to do for it? Whatever you are looking, or maybe whatever is around you, you just try to use every word in English. Like, if you are seeing any movie, or maybe if you are doing any kind of work, just try to think, how can I speak this sentence into English? Like, मेरे पास एक पेन है, so how can I speak this sentence? If I can speak this sentence in Hindi, it means I am 200% sure I can speak this sentence into English as well. So what is the English of this sentence? I have a pen. That is very simple. I know that. These type of sentences are simple, but from beginning, like, you just need to think everything in English. Like, whatever you are doing, just do that work in English. Whatever you are taking, just think, how can improve, or maybe how can express yourself at particular time in English. If someone is saying to you something, so after that, or maybe after that particular time, just try to think what you have, or maybe what the conversation you both had. Just try to translate that into English. I know that you will face some problems in starting, but later you will come to know all the things, because you need to be regular. And if you do so for maybe for 1 week, or maybe for 2 weeks, it will be your habit. And I know that with the help of this habit, you will improve your vocabulary as well as your confidence. And it's all about confidence. Just suppose if you have vocabulary, but you don't know how to use that vocabulary, what is the benefit, or maybe what is the point of learning that vocab? There is no point. Absolutely. So first of all, you just need to learn how to speak English, maybe how to use the words, how to use that vocab, and you have to create environment around you of English. I know that it's not easy, but you have to do that if you want to learn, because that is a language, and it needs time. Actually, it takes time. And if you want to learn English, so you can contact us. You can take our online as well as offline classes. We will let you know all the things related to English.